to automatically fill the same data in thousands of rows in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. There will be two situations. First, you will have a particular range in which you will have to fill data. Here, you can see that I have already filled some data in 100 rows. But the second column is unfilled. I can fill it here under the heading of country. I type America, and now I can fill America in all of these 100 rows. So I will move my mouse pointer here so that a plus sign will show, and double click. Here, you can see that data has been filled in 100 rows. But what will happen if you don't have any range or if you have to set your own range for thousands of rows? For example, I need to type America in thousands of rows. But if I double-click here, it doesn't work for this. What I will do is type 1, click outside the cell, click this cell again, and then click on Fill, then Series. After that, as data is being inserted, it will be inserted in columns. So I will select Columns. Here, my data will start from 1 and end on 1,000. So I will type 1,000 and click OK. You can see that 1,000 rows have been created. Now I want to fill this data in this 1,000 rows. So what will I do? Again, I will double click, and America has been written in 1,000 rows. This is how you can enter the same data in thousands of rows in Microsoft Excel.